Are the teams in your organization collaborating at a level that leads to optimal output and productivity? Or do your teams tend to communicate among themselves, inadvertently creating mixed or incomplete stories? I have found communication is critical to morale, retention, and ultimately productivity. Maintaining systems for effective communication has become challenging for many companies. Varying tools create silos, which can weaken an organization and compromise its efficiencies. A modern unified communications tool like Zoom, RingCentral, or Dialpad can solve these problems. A modern collaboration platform is the application that provides a system for today's way of doing business by integrating phone, messaging, video meetings, and file share into one centralized tool which is easy to use and manage. Companies no longer have to worry about the complications of multiple tools and the problems they cause. In my experience, companies allow people and teams to communicate using applications that are the flavor of the moment. Certainly, any communication is better than none, and we can all agree on that. Let's take a look at a couple of real-life business situations. A client of ours is in the surveillance industry. They have a command center which is responsible for monitoring the cameras at their clients' business locations. When problems arise at these locations, the company would have to make a phone call to deploy physical security people to the location. This took time and wasted resources. With RingCentral and its integration into their platform, they are now able to have the command center connected to security officers in the field. They can send instant messages which are secure and received in real time over mobile devices. The command center sends encrypted images and videos of the problem so that prior to a security officer arriving on site, officers can assess the situation. They have reduced response time by 26% and deployment time by 61%. Furthermore, if there is a need for a phone call between the command center and security, through a click of a button, they're connected. Let's take a look at our other client in manufacturing. They had a communication problem between customer service and operations. Customers would call in to the business requesting information of the customer service team. Calls were being poorly routed to the wrong agents, lacking the skill to answer customer questions, and the customer service agents regularly needed to communicate with operations personnel while on those calls. Today, our client benefits from having a skill-based interactive voice response system which routes callers to the proper customer service agent. Through an integration, agents now see who the customer is that is calling into their CRM. In addition, customer service can chat real time with the operations team to address complex client problems. The right modern business telephony platform allows you to address common communication challenges while providing the flexibility to solve unique use cases. To learn more about the right solution for your company, click the link in the description below.